Hello students. So from the chapter number 1 of evolution of humans and society, that is a prehistoric period time, we're going to discuss it now. In this session I'm going to give you some basic introduction only. So what exactly is this prehistoric means? Prehistoric people were actually the pioneers of creative knowledge. Okay, so pioneers means the beginners, okay, the starters of our creative knowledge. So from the artifacts and the languages they developed, we are able to understand how intelligent they were actually. Okay, so they were very intelligent actually. Because of them only today tools and weapons are being made out very easily. Fine. So in this session I'm going to just talk you about the first important part only, that is called origin of earth and the geological ages. Okay, so why I'm going to take this? Because everything related to a human is actually related to the beginning of our history of our earth only. Okay, so the history of human is actually closely related to the history of our earth only. Okay, so the earth actually contains various geological, archaeological, biological records of historical times and over its upper layers also. Okay, so that's why the history of earth is more important to us before we study about the human population. Okay, so it's closely related to your 6th standard only. Okay, so let me say you about a small timeline for you. So before 460 crore years before, earth actually was created. Okay, and before 20 lakh year man started to walk, man knew to walk. Okay, and before 3 lakh years they actually man spread over the entire earth. Okay, and before 8,000 year they started to what, cultivation. Okay, for the with the presence of this raw material they started to what, cultivate for filling out their stomach. Okay, then comes about before 5,000 year they started about their civilization. Okay, they started to bring out more advanced technologies. Okay, so about these studies and all, how the human population existed in earlier called prehistoric period, many studies were done. Okay, so I'll just discuss you about a few important studies, that is called archaeological study. So archaeology is actually the study of human past through the analysis and interpretation of material which is remaining now. Okay, so the materials which we now discover, which were actually gone into as a fossil, which we discover now by the archaeologist department only. So that those things, okay, so those things are actually gives evidence of how the human lived in the prehistoric time. Fine. Okay, so next about is about the paleoanthropology department. Okay, so in this actually it is a study of human ancestor and their evolution by the study of fossil remain. Okay, as I said, in archaeology it is based on the things. Okay, it is based on the things. Okay, and paleoanthropology is actually about the evolution which is being done by the fossil remains. Okay, the fossil which have been discovered that's now which is being discovered. Okay, so using those fossils one day they are discovering how the early prehistoric peoples used to live. Okay, so what and all were different from the now present human beings to that of the prehistoric peoples. Okay, so that is how they actually gave about the ancestral study. Okay, so that actually gives the study. Fine. So the earth was actually formed by approximately 4.5 billion years ago. Fine. So remember, two important calculations given in your textbook, that is 1 billion is equal to 100 crore and 1 million is equal to how much? 10 lakh. Okay, so actually to know, okay, it's not more important for you. Then comes is about the Australopithecines. Okay, so these are nothing but called as what, apes. Okay, so like Homo sapiens, like we, they call us Australopithecines. Okay, so about these Australopithecines, okay, and more which are like Homo sapiens, Homo habilis. Okay, all these persons I'll be discussing you in the next class. Okay, but still now origin of our earth related history is more important for you. Okay, then so I'll be posting your questions and assignment for test. Okay, please do it sincerely, study it and write the test and submit it on the due time. Fine children. Okay, thank you.